Do you know that 2 unsuspected foods have the effect of destroying your arteries? Stay tuned to learn more about these 2 foods, how they harm you, and more. Arteries are the blood vessels that carry oxygen-rich blood away from the heart to the tissues of the body. They are vital for delivering the oxygen and nutrients that cells need to function correctly. Unlike veins, which carry blood back to the heart, arteries are under high pressure from the pumping action of the heart. Arteries are made to be flexible, but when they become inflamed or stiff, they are susceptible to being damaged and contribute to plaque buildup. What are the functions of arteries? The primary function of arteries is to transport blood efficiently and at high pressure to various parts of the body. This ensures that organs and tissues receive a consistent supply of oxygen and nutrients. Arteries also help in regulating blood pressure and responding to the body's needs by dilating or constricting as necessary. What are the parts of the arteries? Arteries consist of 3 main layers. These are important to maintaining overall health. Tunica intima, the innermost layer, which is a smooth, thin lining that minimizes resistance to blood flow. Tunica media, the middle layer, made up of smooth muscle cells and elastic tissue, allowing the artery to expand and contract with each heartbeat. Tunica externa, the outermost layer, composed of connective tissue, providing structural support and protection to the artery. What are the 2 surprising foods that destroy your arteries? Now, let's talk about 2 surprising foods that can wreak havoc on your arterial health. Trans fats and seed oils and artificial sweeteners. Trans fats and seed oils. Trans fats are artificially created fats found in many processed foods. They are produced by hydrogenating vegetable oils, making them solid at room temperature. Common sources include margarine, baked goods, and fried foods. Seed oils like soybean, corn, and sunflower oil are often high in omega-6 fatty acids, which can promote inflammation when consumed in excess. Artificial sweeteners. Artificial sweeteners are synthetic sugar substitutes that are much sweeter than regular sugar. Common types include aspartame, sucralose, and saccharin. They are often found in diet sodas, sugar-free snacks, and other low-calorie or diet products. What are artificial sweeteners? Artificial sweeteners are chemically synthesized compounds designed to mimic the sweetness of sugar without the associated calories, but with some dangerous side effects. These substances are incredibly potent, meaning only a small amount is needed to achieve the desired sweetness. Plus, since they are made in labs, it is important to be aware of their side effects and how they affect your arterial and overall health. What types of artificial sweeteners are there? To avoid right now, there are several types of artificial sweeteners. Several of them are known for being carcinogenic. The most common artificial sweeteners include aspartame, found in products like diet sodas and sugar-free gum. Sucralose, a very commercial sweetener that can be found in many baked goods and beverages. Saccharin, one of the oldest artificial sweeteners found in very popular sweeteners and products. What are trans fats and seed oils? Trans fats, like margarine, are created through an industrial process that adds hydrogen to liquid vegetable oils to make them more solid. This process improves the shelf life and flavor stability of foods, but at a significant cost to health. Seed oils, also known as vegetable oils, are extracted from various seeds and are high in polyunsaturated fats, particularly omega-6 fatty acids. Common seed oils include soybean, corn, canola, peanut, and sunflower oil. Soybean oil, widely used in processed foods and for frying. Corn oil, common in cooking and processed snacks. Sunflower oil, often marketed as a heart-healthy oil but very high in omega-6 fatty acids. How do these foods damage arteries? Trans fats and seed oils contribute to arterial damage by promoting inflammation, increasing bad cholesterol levels, also known as LDL particles, and decreasing good cholesterol levels, known as HDL particles. This leads to the buildup of plaque in the arteries, known as atherosclerosis, which can restrict blood flow and increase the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Artificial sweeteners produce inflammation and disrupt the balance of gut bacteria, leading to metabolic changes that affect arterial health. They may also trick the body into craving more sugary foods, potentially leading to overconsumption and weight gain, which are risk factors for arterial damage. How to prevent arterial damage? To achieve optimal arterial health and prevent any vascular or heart diseases, follow our next tips. Diet. Focus on a diet rich in whole foods like low glycemic fruits, vegetables, healthy fats, and high-quality proteins. Avoid processed foods high in trans fats and seed oils. Exercise. Regular physical activity helps maintain healthy blood pressure and improves overall cardiovascular health. Healthy fats. Incorporate healthy fats into your diet, such as those from avocados, nuts, and extra virgin olive oil, which support heart health. Hydration. Drink plenty of water to maintain optimal blood viscosity and flow. Regular checkups. Regular medical checkups can help monitor and manage risk factors for arterial damage, such as high cholesterol and high blood pressure. Maintaining arterial health is crucial for overall well-being and preventing serious cardiovascular conditions. Arteries play a vital role in transporting oxygen-rich blood from the heart to various tissues and organs, ensuring they receive the nutrients needed for proper function. Composed of 3 layers, tunica intima, tunica media, and tunica externa, arteries are designed to handle high pressure and maintain blood flow efficiently. The 2 surprising foods that can significantly damage your arteries are trans fats and seed oils and artificial sweeteners. Trans fats, found in many processed foods, are created through an industrial process that adds hydrogen to vegetable oils, making them solid at room temperature. These fats not only extend the shelf life of products but also enhance flavor stability. However, they come with severe health risks such as promoting inflammation, raising bad cholesterol levels, and lowering good cholesterol levels. This imbalance leads to the buildup of plaque in the arteries, known as atherosclerosis, which restricts blood flow and increases the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Seed oils such as soybean, corn, canola, peanut, and sunflower oil are high in omega-6 fatty acids. While these fats are essential in small amounts, excessive consumption can lead to an imbalance with omega-3 fatty acids, promoting inflammation and contributing to arterial damage. Like trans fats, seed oils are prevalent in processed and fried foods, making it easy to consume them in excess without even realizing it. Artificial sweeteners, commonly found in diet sodas and sugar-free products, are another culprit in arterial damage. These synthetic sugar substitutes are significantly sweeter than regular sugar, leading to metabolic changes and disrupting gut bacteria. This disruption can affect overall metabolic health and contribute to conditions like chronic inflammation, insulin resistance, weight gain, and increased arterial stiffness. Moreover, artificial sweeteners may trick the body into craving more sugary foods, leading to overconsumption and further health complications. Preventing arterial damage involves several lifestyle and dietary changes. Firstly, focusing on a diet rich in whole foods, such as low glycemic fruits, vegetables, healthy fats, and high-quality proteins, is essential. These foods provide the necessary nutrients without the harmful fats and additives found in processed foods. Incorporating healthy fats, such as those from avocados, nuts, and extra virgin olive oil, can support heart health and improve cholesterol levels. Regular physical activity is another critical factor in maintaining arterial health. Exercise helps regulate blood pressure, improves cardiovascular fitness, and reduces the risk of arterial stiffness. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic activity each week, combined with muscle-strengthening activities on 2 or more days a week. Staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water is also important for maintaining optimal blood viscosity and flow. Proper hydration ensures that the blood remains fluid enough to travel through the arteries efficiently, reducing the risk of clots and other complications. Regular medical checkups play a vital role in monitoring and managing risk factors for arterial damage. Routine screenings for cholesterol levels, blood pressure, and other cardiovascular risk factors can help detect issues early and allow for timely interventions. Additionally, discussing any concerns or symptoms with a healthcare professional can lead to personalized advice and treatment plans to maintain arterial health. So understanding the importance of arterial health and the impact of certain foods on your arteries can empower you to make informed choices. By avoiding trans fats, seed oils, and artificial sweeteners and adopting a healthy lifestyle that includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, and hydration, you can protect your arteries and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Regular checkups with your healthcare provider will ensure that you stay on track and address any potential issues before they become serious health problems. Taking these proactive steps will help you maintain a healthy cardiovascular system and enjoy a better quality of life. Thank you for tuning into Levitas. If you found this video helpful and informative, be sure to share it with your friends and family. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health, and fitness content. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with today's subject. We love hearing from you. Your support is very appreciated. It helps us grow and create even more content for empowering you to achieve a better body and optimal health every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right nutrients. Stay consistent with your training and keep striving for your fitness goals. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.